Russian Helicopter by Christian Diaz. About the Russian Igor Sikorsky. He was born in Russia. Igor was born on May 25, 1889. He died October 26, 1972. His father was a doctor and a professor. His mother also was a doctor when he was 12 years old. He made a small rubber-powered helicopter that could raise in the air. He attended and graduated from the Navy Academy. He studied engineering in Paris. However, he left school to work in his own shop. January 1, 1939, he had his first successful helicopter test flight. The East Coast R4 is a two-seat helicopter. The Sikorsky R4 had a single three-bladed man rotor and powered by engine. The R4 had a single engine that followed the helicopter speed to 120 kilometers per hour. The helicopter was used in the United States military. The Army and the Coast Guard used it in the many floods until 1944. The R4 finally saw its first combat operation. It was used by the United States during World War II. The helicopter has gone through a lot of changes to make it faster and safer. The engine was built a bit bigger and the size of the helicopter also. How the helicopter made impact on society. It helped the military of the United States, and then the British used it in the military. Helicopters are used by the president, police, military, private companies, and if you have a lot of money, you can buy one. Impact on people. Helicopters are used to fly people to the hospital that need medical attention, military forces use helicopters to move troops and get supplies to ships. Impact on environment. They can be loaded with water to fight large fires. Helicopters help farmers by spraying insecticides to help crop grow. The future. NASA and the military are working together to make better military helicopters.